Hello everyone, big up on yourself, on the door. Hope everybody okay. Welcome back to DIY Jamaican style. Today's video is all about table numbers. Table numbers make life so much easier and less chaotic when arranging seating for your guests. They can be used for any occasion, and there are a number of designs out there you can choose from. Today's video is showing you one way in which you can design your table number, and as usual, it's easy, affordable, and the materials aren't hard to find. We'll be using a number of items for today's project, which I will list in the description box. So let's cut the chat in and let's do this Jamaican style. To begin, we're going to be using Cork Sheet, and it looks like this. Now, Cork Sheets, they come in various thickness. This is a thin one, and it's perfect for what we're doing. We don't need anything as thick. If you want to use a thicker one, it's completely up to you. But for me, I've decided that I'm going to use this thin one because it is more flexible and I can get it to do what I need it to do, and it's easier to cut, which is why I chose this. Now I decided to use a glass to get the design I want, the shape. I'm gonna be using a circular design, and we're just gonna place it on the cork sheet. I've decided to place it closer to the end to save on using the cork sheet. Instead of going exactly in the center here where we're gonna waste the paper, we can do it from here where we can actually get 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 from this cork sheet. And this cork sheet was actually cut because I made one out of it already, but the actual size of it is, this one is a letter size. So we're gonna go ahead and use this one. We're gonna take our glass and place it like this. And with our pencil, we're gonna trace a circle from the glass. And we're gonna trace it as bright as possible so it makes it easier for us to see when we are going to cut the shape of the circle out. And this is what mine looks like. With our scissors, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna just cut. And we have our circle. Now we're gonna take a popsicle stick. In Jamaica we call it fudge stick. But we're gonna use a popsicle stick. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna glue the popsicle stick to the back of the circle. Now, if you notice, you can see along here, you can see the pencil. So we're gonna use this as the back, and we're gonna use this as the front where you're not able to see the pencil mark. So we're gonna put this at the back, and then we're gonna just glue the popsicle stick, fudge stick as we say in Jamdown, to the back, and it's gonna look something like this. Now, in order to ensure that we have it centered, we're just gonna take our ruler and we're gonna measure the circumference. Well, not really the circumference. We're gonna measure the width. Yes, that is the right word, the width of the circle. Now I decided I'm gonna use 1. Instead of starting from the end, I'm gonna start from the 1, and we look like we have about 10 here. So we're just gonna take our pencil and we're just gonna do a little mark here. Bring it down a little bit, we don't want it too far up. Bring it down a little bit here, and we're just gonna find the center. So the center is gonna be right here, in between the 5 and the 6. That's what, 5.5, and we're just gonna make a dot. You can't see it, but I can. The dot is right here. And then we're just gonna take our ruler and we're just gonna draw where the dot is. Let me see if I can go up a bit further where you can see it. And we're just gonna make a quick line here. is where we're gonna glue our popsicle stick here. That's where we're gonna glue it. So let's go ahead and glue our popsicle stick. Once our popsicle stick and everything is dry, we're gonna add our bow. Now you can check my video on how to make this bow. I'm gonna link that video in the description box. You can check it on how to make a bow. And we're gonna be using our glue gun this time. The regular glue that we use to glue the popsicle stick, fudge stick as we say, to the cork sheet won't be able to hold the bow to the popsicle stick, so we're gonna have to be using our glue gun. So our glue gun is already heated, and I use just a little piece of cardboard, paper, anything you can use just to catch the excess. And what we're going to do is we're just gonna place a little, we're just gonna dab a little, not too much, here. And we're gonna just attach our bow like this. Depending on what color scheme you're working with, you can decide which color to use for your bow. And this is what we're looking like so far. But we are not yet finished. Hold on, wait a minute. It's table numbers, so we need a number, right? So we're gonna go into how we're gonna design our numbers. Now we're gonna add our numbers to our design, to our table number design. I made another one off camera, so we can show you diversity in terms of colors and what they'll look like. So for our numbers today, I'm gonna be using stickers, 2 kinds of stickers. Now I have this sticker. You can buy this, it comes in a set looking like this. It comes in a pack looking like this. Very affordable. You can buy it at any craft store. I'm gonna be using the numbers from this sticker. I'm also gonna be using another kind of sticker from this pack. These are glitter numbers. Again, these you can find in any craft store, and they're very affordable. Now I've decided to use 2 different sort of design just to give you an idea of how diverse and how creative you can get with your design. It's really up to you, and you really don't have to use these. You can choose whatever number designs you want. You can make your own design by going online and choose the type of number that you want, and you can cut them, print and cut and glue them on this, or you can just buy these stickers and you can go ahead and use them as you see. But for today we're going to be using these stickers. So I'm going to be taking the number 2 from this one. So this will be table 2. Be careful not to tear it. Take your time and just peel it off. We're just going to add it right here. Be careful. We're going to add it right to the center. Right in the center there. And we're just going to stick it on like this. So we have table 2. Isn't it gorgeous? I like it. What do you think? Do you like it? Let me know in the comment section. So that's our table 2. And then I've decided to go ahead and take the number 1 from this one. Now I decided to use a different color. I decided to use the blue with the orange, just to show you how diverse you can be. Now you can decide if you want to use blue on blue and the black with the orange, or orange on orange, depending on you. But I've decided that I wanted to show you guys how you can make it as diverse and creative as you want it to be. Totally up to you. This is also an adhesive This also comes with an adhesive back, so I'm just gonna peel off the paper that's protecting the glue on the back, and then I'm just gonna do the same thing, same procedure. Be careful, and I'm just gonna add it to the center, and there we go. Table 1 and table 2. Wow, gorgeous. Yeah, we are doing thing, don't? Tell me wanna think it's shut or not. Alright, now these, depending on your centerpiece, you can just stick them in. But for this video, I'm gonna show you how you can have them stand on your own on the table. Now, you don't have to do yours this way, but I'm choosing to do this method to show you how you can have your table numbers to stand on your own on the table. Now, my choice for making the table numbers stand on your own is by using a candle holder and some river stones. And again, remember to be careful with the candle holder when you're adding river stones. First, you're gonna place the table number inside the jar. Let me just put this one over here, and then we're gonna be adding some of the stones. Be very careful when you're adding the stones as to not cause any accidents. So we're just gonna put them around, careful. And you're gonna add as much until you're comfortable. You're gonna add as much as possible until you're comfortable with it being able to stand on its own, like this. Just ensure that it is center. If you're still not comfortable, you can go ahead. I'm not as comfortable. I think you can take a little more, and you can go ahead and add it. No, I have not tested these. I have not tested these outside to know if they'll withstand the weather, if they'll withstand wind, but I know that they would work perfectly on the inside. And this is what we have so far. And this is how we'll get our table numbers to stand on their own, rather. If you don't want to do it this way, you can just stick it in your centerpiece depending on what it looks like. But if you want it to stand on its own, you can use this method or a method of your choice. But this is a method I'm choosing today, and I think it just goes beautiful together. Now, you can choose to use a blue ribbon with the blue number, or you can do it like this depending on if you're using two different kinds of colors for your theme. If you want to incorporate or bring out the colors, you can do it this way, or you can do every other on the table. It's entirely up to you. Alright, so this brings us to the end of our video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys will have fun making this, and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. If you like it, if you don't like it, tell me what you would do differently, what you'd add, what you'd subtract. I'm excited to hear what you guys think. So until next time, see you guys. Bye.